In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a text glitch effect over top of video footage. In my previous videos, I've showed you how to create a text glitch effect over top of a background. But this one we're going to do it on top of video footage. So follow me. Create 3 new video tracks. I already imported my media, so drag your video to the 4th track. It's good. Now right click, insert text media, and we're going to call this TV signal. Let's make this a little smaller. 36. And let's change the font to Arial. And reposition it. There, it's good. And make sure your playhead is over top of the text. Make the text the same length as the video. Copy it. Paste to the 2nd track. Now go to Media Generators. Under Test Pattern, select the SMPTE bars. Drag it to the 1st track. Under Video FX, select TV Simulator. Select Reset to None. Drag that to the 1st track. Now the line sync and vertical sync can be set to 0 if you want. It doesn't really make much of a difference, but we'll just adjust them a little bit. So yeah, make sure that playhead's over top of your text. Now go to compositing mode. Select that. Select custom. Select Sony displacement map. Click OK. Now you can make this aggressive or conservative. It's all up to you. It's good. Now edge pixel handling. Select wrap pixels around. Alpha channel scales RGB channels. Make sure that's checked. Now to get rid of all this distortion in here, on the 2nd track, make compositing child, click that. And same in the 3rd track. Make compositing child, make sure that's selected as well. We'll go to properties. Stereoscopic 3D mode. Select anaglyphic red cayenne. Back to video effects. Select stereoscopic 3D adjust. Drag that to the 2nd track. Adjust the taste. Copy this. I'm going to have 2 glitch effects in this video. It's good. Now the 2nd track has to be split. So using the S key on your keyboard, Split the video tracks. And delete the excess you don't need. Now we're going to insert sound effect. I purchased this sound effect from a company called Pond 5. They have really good footage there. Reasonable prices. You get footage, sound effects, all kinds of media. It's good. It's good. Copy that. Paste it. It's good. Good. Double checking they're lined up. Play it back. So that's all you have to do to create a text glitch effect over top of video. If you found this video helpful, please give me a thumbs up and thanks for watching.